Did you know an entire lake once killed 1,700 people in a single night without making a sound? August 21st, 1986. Lake Nyos in Cameroon looked perfectly normal. Crystal blue water surrounded by green hills. Families in nearby villages went to sleep like any other night. By morning, they were all dead. Not from violence, not from disease, from something invisible that crept through their homes while they slept. Rescue teams found the most disturbing crime scene in history. Families frozen in time around dinner tables. Children tucked peacefully in their beds. No signs of panic or struggle, just silence. Even the animals were gone. Cattle lay scattered across fields. Birds fell from the sky. Scientists discovered the lake had burped. A massive bubble of carbon dioxide gas erupted from the depths, creating a deadly cloud that rolled through the valleys like fog. The gas was heavier than air, so it stayed low, suffocating everything in its path. The victims never knew what hit them. They simply went to sleep and never woke up. Nature's perfect silent killer.